Tomorrow on TV's #1 kids comedy.
We got tickets to Cactus Con.
Something Prickly is coming to Swellview, and it has everyone flipping out. But their good time takes a sharp turn.
$1 million.
Whomever can bring me
The world's most poisonous cactus.
And it's all connected to something much bigger.
This is very, very bad.
That will change their lives forever. On a brand new episode of Henry Danger, tomorrow at 8. Part of Trivia Prize Fest Live on Nick.
The Loud House is brought to you by Osmo. Osmo, bursting with fun.
This Christmas, enter a world where more than one wears the mask. Miles Morales.
You're gonna teach me to be Spider-Man.
Peter Parker.
Time to swing, and it's a no on the cape.
I think it's cool.
Hey guys,
Spider-Gwen.
let's go.
What a waste of energy. No one's even chasing us.
Hey, fellas. Spider-Noir.
Hi.
Penny Parker. And
This could not get any weirder.
Spider-Ham.
It can get weirder.
Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse. Only in theaters. This film is not yet rated.
Barbie Dream House. Barbie's ultimate dream house. So many rooms, so much to do. Barbie Dream House.
Barbie Dreamhouse Glam Convertible and other dolls each sold separately. Batteries not included. Adult assemble. You can be anything.
The Explorers from Playmobil. Explore the mysterious hidden temple with cool light effects. A Stegosaurus. A pterodactyl. Quinn and his crew capture the dinos. Activate the laser. The Explorers from Playmobil. Each set sold separately. Batteries not included. Barbie Ultimate Kitchen. Turn the Barbie dough into amazing meals. A sandwich and fries. You can be a chef. Barbie Ultimate Kitchen.
Barbie Ultimate Kitchen Playset. Batteries not included. Adults assemble. You can be anything.
Where did you get that beetle?
It's yours, kid.
Who are you? Hey, check out his reflexes.
Wow.
That was insane.
Bumblebee, rated PG-13.
Polly Pocket Compacts. It's a Polly Pool Party, hidden places to find. Splashing in the hot tub, Polly Stick. Don't stick anywhere with Polly Stick and more compacts to collect. Polly Pocket Compacts, each sold separately. Polly Pocket. Woke up this morning with a thought in my head. If things ain't working, why not fix them instead? And we can build it up, build it up, build it up. Let's go! Build, play, and have fun with the new LEGO Friends Resort. Join the party on LEGO Live. Ask your parents before going online. Smart device not included. Soaring high through the clouds on their streets are a chorus. Disarming skies. A magical ride. A kiss on their nose with shimmer and shine by your side.
Magical flying Zeracones, each sold separately. Some assembly required.
It's SpongeBob and Santa in space.
You're the man on the moon?
Don't miss the brand new holiday special.
I'm mooning you.
SpongeBob Merry Pants. All part of Thanksgiving weekend. Sunday at 11. Keep it here. On a brand new holiday special, it's SpongeBob and Santa in space.
Merry early Christmas.
You're a menace. It's the first ever Holly Jolly Zero Gravity holiday in the whole
Where
universe.
SpongeBob goes.
Trouble follows.
I was gonna say laughter follows.
You can't miss the brand new holiday special, SpongeBob Merry Pants. All part of Thanksgiving weekend.
I'm mooning you.
Sunday at 11 on Nick. The Loud House is brought to you by Osmo. Osmo, bursting with fun.
Osmo.
Osmo, a brand new way to play. Bring adventures to life with Mo the Monster. Blast off with Tangram. Draw your masterpiece. Newton turns everyday objects into pure fun. Osmo Genius Kit and Creative Kit, bursting with fun. Each sold separately, smart device not included.
In LEGO City, anything can happen. You can chase crooks. Watch out! Look out for that
anything and save the day. Whoa! Yeah. Lego City is real action, real fun.
Barbie! Ultimate Kitchen! Turn the Barbie doll into amazing meals. A sandwich and fries! You can be a chef! Barbie Ultimate Kitchen! Barbie Ultimate Kitchen playset. Batteries not included. Adults assemble. You can be anything.
Ever since Daryl's family started using Gain Flings, their laundry smells more amazing than ever.
Honey, isn't that the dog's towel?
Hey, me towel? Sue towel. More Gain Scent plus Oxy Boost and Febreze makes Gain Flings our best gain ever. Gain. Seriously good scent.
It's the fastest hex bug yet. The rechargeable, remote-controlled ring racer. Complete with your own stunt park. You can create new tricks and really push the limits with a turbo mode. Hex bug ring racer. Each sold separately.
With Nickelodeon Slime! New safe formula to make the coolest, best slime ever! Scented, galactic glitter, and more! Nickelodeon Slime! Each sold separately from Crazy Art!
Lucky Ducks, the wacky, quacky color matching game. Look for ducks that match your colorful shape. When you find one that matches, keep it. If it doesn't match, put it back in the duck pond. When you match 3, you've won! Yay! Lucky Ducks by Pressman. Batteries not included.
Hurry, hurry! My new Baby Live Potty Dance baby dances when she has to tinkle. She holds it until she's on the potty, and she really goes. Time to wash your hands. New Baby Live Potty Dance baby. Each sold separately.
Jackie's live at the big game.
Kind of slow out here today.
Let's mix it up.
Oh, what a pass! We got slammed! Oh my gosh, now that's a catch! What a hurdle! Oh, we got rocked! Is that a touchdown? I don't know. And it's good!
If it's mixed up, Lunchables with 100% juice is there.
Do you know why I admire you, Luke? You do not seek power. You simply ask, is a thing right?
Fantastic Beasts: The Crimes of Grindelwald. Rated PG-13.
Nickelodeon is stuffing your Thanksgiving weekend with all your favorites, like a brand new holiday SpongeBob and a heaping helping of new Henry Danger. Then add a new Loud House music special. Now let's sneak in a peek of the new comedy Cousins for Life, and of course a dollop of new Double Dare. Then feast your eyes on this. It's Thanksgiving weekend on Nick.
Here we go. Aye, aye.
We want the physical challenge!
Continues tomorrow at 8 with an all-new Henry Danger and Cousins for Life. Keep it here.